Here in the YCC, one of the biggest developmental milestones that these children are working towards is language acquisition. Learning and absorbing language comes very easily to these children. They're absorbing it constantly. So we are their biggest tool to help them learn language. We have many things on our shelves that help them, from real foods and fruits and vegetables to real materials from nature. We also have replicas and matching and pictures of paintings. We do a lot of singing. We do a lot of poetry. We read tons of books because they're constantly absorbing all of this language. So the adults in the child's life, this is the best time for them to be talking and having conversations. They're absorbing all of that, even though they cannot express it back to us, they're still absorbing it. So it's very important for us to speak to them, receive whatever they are gibberish or talking back to us, and then respond to that as well. So they understand the flow of conversations and what language looks like in the greater world.